Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the battery percentage not increasing issue on any iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just check the charging cable and the charging adapter of your iPhone and check if they are damaged or not. Also, try to use another charger with your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, after you do that, just check the charging port of your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or any debris. Now, after that, just open settings, then go to battery. From here, just tap on charging, and from here, just make sure you enable optimized battery charging. Now, if it is already enabled, just disable it and enable it again. Now, after you do that, now the next step is to force restart your iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open settings, then go to general. From here, just tap on software update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPhone. Now once you have updated the software of your iPhone, and if this also did not fix your issue, just go back, then tap on battery. From here, just tap on battery health, and from here just check the maximum capacity of the battery of your iPhone. Now if the maximum capacity is 80% or lower, then just take your smartphone to any service center and they will replace the battery of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the battery percentage not increasing issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.